Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young go hard, and I'm not gonna lie, if I had my way, I would change Annabella Danger's name to Erica Crane because she could have all my children. That's a super deep dive. If you have no idea what either one of those things are, then I'm sorry for you. And if you're under the age of 18, please do not Google Annabella Danger's name. Yeah, that's not on me at that point. But anyway, I am the Party Monster, back in the House of Monster, coming to you guys with a brand new video, and I decided, being that this week is All-Star Weekend in the MLB, that I would do an unbagging for you guys that comes courtesy of the MLB website. It can only be one of two pickups that I made from the website, and I'm generally excited to show you guys what the pickup is. I have no idea what's inside the package, honestly, and I don't know, it's going to be a fun time nonetheless. But if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the Monster Club. Road to 1,000 starts right now. You guys have been killing it on the subscribes, likes, and comments. And let's just keep it up in July. And like I said, once we get monetized, well, if I get monetized in this year's span and everything going into 2024, I will be giving away a pair of Travis Scott lows on the house from your boy in your true size and everything. I'm just like a $1,500 shoe right now, but it is what it is. If I got to where I want to be, I'm definitely going to return the favor and everything to you guys. So anyway, if you guys enjoy this video, if you guys haven't already, again, subscribe, join the Monster Club. Without further ado, let's get it. Okay guys, so before we get into the pickup itself, let's take a toast to the Monster Club. And I can't confirm or deny or not say that I have an Annabella Danger pickup in the stack somewhere for a potential future video. Just saying, that might be a thing. Again, don't Google her name if you're under the age of 18, but if you're over the age of 18, you know who she is, and you already know what time it is. I'm not gonna lie, if she ever hits me up in my DMs, I'm just probably piss my pants. I'm just gonna put that out there. But anyway, we got the pickup. I'm out here dropping stuff, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to do a secret show on my whatnot at like 3:30 in the morning, but it is what it is. If you guys follow me on whatnot and you guys bookmark me, then you already know what time it is. I'm gonna hang out and let's see what happens. Anyway, it can only go better than the earlier show today. But anyway, I got my package. Let's take another drink. Here's to you guys. Here's the brew. She's super hot. And yes, like I said, this pickup comes courtesy of the MLB shop and everything. I got my scissors, so let's just get right into it. Again, I have no idea what's inside this pickup, but it can only be two things. And they're both jerseys. So I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion because I have no idea what's inside this until I unbag it. And okay, cool. Okay, so now I know what it is because I can kind of see it, but it is actually the Royals. I want to say it's their championship jersey from when they won the World Series that year. All authentic, of course, because you already know your boy does not do replicas. What you thought? Royals, check it out. In white. This is actually the championship series jersey. Authentic Perez, the catcher, number 13. You know what time. Check it out. This is a clean jersey. Again, it's white, so that's the only downfall to this jersey. Got like the whole sparkling thing going on, which, again, once you wash it, this thing will go everywhere. But it's clean nonetheless. KC, Kansas City, Perez, the catcher. Your boy's looking good in this one. And yeah, I'm super excited about this particular jersey. I knew it was in the stacks, but I didn't know if I'd... Yeah, this... The minute you, like this building the materials, the minute you wash it, it is going to go everywhere. Be looking crazy. You're going to have glitter all over yourself. Kind of starting to already peel off the jersey, but I think it's dope nonetheless, and I'm super excited for this one. Okay guys, so I'm super excited about this jersey. It is so clean and beautiful, and definitely one that I can't wait to rock for a special occasion, but that's going to do it for this video. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Hell, let me know what your guys' favorite MLB team is in the comment section. Definitely curious. I'm definitely a Rays guy, but I definitely rock with KC and Houston. But yes, that's going to do it for this video. Again, if you liked it, hit that like button, share it with a friend. More importantly, you guys have been killing this also, so just keep it up. If you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. Hell, y'all can even now follow me on Trends at PartyMonster05. Follow ya, boy. And yeah, other than that, until the next one, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.